Hello, Susie Kins, and hello, Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion of the world. And you can acknowledge me. I say, hey, I'm not Susie Buffet. And I am your Trouble Susie. Alright guys, welcome back to another film review today because niggas are amazing by the way. Just give this up because I want you guys to go on my main channel and do new thi- and do the do because we need you guys to keep my channel really high. And my other channel needs some work. I got a lot of views on my second channel, but we need more subscriber count because we need people to. Yes. So we need to do 2 separate fans on my second channel and my main channel. So guys, we need that sponsorships and money. Come on. And what's going on today? So I'm eating this really cool thing. That is new to cook. Is this super noodles thing? Oh, I love super noodles because it's Asian and I love it. So that's why. And I guys ready to I will eat this and that goes good. I guess ready to go dive into this today. Alrighty. What do is spread this sauce around. Bake up a little to make it really saucy. Because who loves Asian? Me. So that's why. Alright, let me see. Alright, I'm gonna do is like this. All the stuff is as sushi is this. It's good. I love it. And that is good too. Because are amazing. Alright, what's going on today? I'm editing my vlog from past Wednesday, last night. And tomorrow is Friday Night SmackDown. And I'll do that after I'm done working. And Wall Street and go back here was my reaction to it is. And yeah, I'm in this while I was in Romeo and Juliet from Digital. And what's a very movie says movie on Disney Plus from Digital. Please come with Digital. Hey guys, you can follow my platforms. You can subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and turning your notifications. And website, come on. And we're gonna tell us what you guys. Susie, yeah.